it going? This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we have one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use that coupon code, the Ramen for a discount. And Mimi's on the show too. We'll see what she's doing in a second. This is Myojo Charumera. Aomori. It'll be in the title. Aomori Stamina Sauce. Garlic, something else. The long name for this thing is ridiculously long. Let's check it out. Look at all that stuff in there. There's a lot of stuff in there. So let's take this, put it in here, so I don't make a big mess. I will anyways. Just watch. This one takes 3 minutes. There it goes, all over the stove. Nice hot boiling water on the stove. My daughter laughing at me. She's making fun of me. Oh, nothing silly about it. I'm good at spilling water. Nah, we mustn't spill water. And then it comes with a sachet that you put in at the end. Well, I guess we should see what Mimi's up to. What are you up to, Mimi?
Wrecking this car.
Yeah?
Car.
Well, do it to it. Make it go. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. You just hit me. Try again. Make it do more stuff. Did you tell the people, how old are you?
I'm going to be 5 years old on my birthday.
That's right. Very good. And when do you get to go to school?
On my birthday.
Yeah, you do get to go to school on your birthday, but when do you get to have your first day of school?
On the 13th. Right over here.
Ah,
On
very
the My Little Pony calendar.
Yes, on your My Little Pony calendar. September 13th.
On the September 13th.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't wait to go to school. You're super stoked. Get to ride the bus.
Is it going to go all the way?
Whoa, careful.
Is it going to go all the way to here and here?
Well, on the edges, those are all Saturdays and Sundays. Oh, it'll go until almost next summer, sweetie. Months and months and months. It'll go past my birthday, past Mama's birthday. Oh yeah, you'll go to school for a while. A long while. You burped? Well, what do you say? There you go. So you had an accident yesterday. You fell off the bed, huh?
Yeah.
That was no fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had it.
You got a frozen Band-Aid?
Yeah.
Oh, don't show people. That's not what we do.
Right over
No. Yeah. Is it better? Is it helping?
Yeah.
Good. Well, it's about time to try these noodles. Do you want to try them today? Yes or no? You want to try some noodles? Yeah? Okay, give me
Are
a...
they spicy?
I don't know. It says that it has stamina sauce.
Does it have soup on it too?
It does have soup.
I like the soup.
Yeah, that's my girl. We like soup. Nobody else here seems to like soup except for you and me.
Miles doesn't like soup.
No, Miles is very picky about what he consumes.
Miles is really picky.
He's a picky eater.
Miles is a picky eater.
Yes, he is.
Is it
That's okay. Some people end up trying more things when they get older. When I was young, I didn't like spicy. No way. I remember.
Really hot?
Oh, it's piping hot, yeah. When I was little, we would go to a place called Sun Ya Restaurant down in Seattle.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'd go there with my mom and dad. My dad would eat the appetizer, which was
Did I
barbecue pork. No, you weren't born yet.
Or Moss wasn't.
I was a kid.
Me or Miles wasn't born yet.
No, you were. No, you were
And Miles weren't.
long before your addition to the universe.
It was very long for me to get out of Mom's tummy.
Yeah, it was a ways until that happened. But anyways, we'd go down there and I would watch my papa. He would eat, what do you call it? That barbecue pork with the, ooh, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's a slice of garlic. Mmm. That's yummy. Mmm. When you slurp like that, it can help cool down the noodles so you can eat them sooner. Let's give this a try. Very salty. Getting a bit of a garlic. You want to try?
Yeah.
There you go.
It's hot.
Oh yeah. Go like this. You know, I don't want it hot. You know, my mom used to say, "Well, you wouldn't want it cold, would you?" Here, we'll get you a noodle and it won't be hot, okay? Maybe we'll get you a noodle.
Is it gonna be hot?
No, it doesn't have enough surface area to retain heat for long. Ah, nom, 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 nom. Bloop. What do you think of that?
Yummy.
You like that? Okay, cool. Whoa, what's this?
Can I have another noodle with it not hot?
Yeah, you can have another noodle, and then I gotta start plating this stuff up, okay?
Okay.
Good God. They just don't want to behave.
It just doesn't want to behave.
Yeah. Nah. There you go. Go play with your... Go say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Let's see if this bowl... So this bowl is actually part of a set of dinnerware that my parents got. Go, go, go. Hot stuff, hot. Oh, don't do that. Set of dinnerware that my folks had. It's a pattern and it's called Homecoming. It's got all sorts of weird stuff on it. I've had times when I've just like shut my eyes and like I can see it in my mind's eye. It's weird. But anyways. Oh, I was going to tell you guys how to make chashu for those who are interested. If you're not interested, deal. So what we do is we get a pork belly. It's a guy named, oh geez, Pete. He gave us this recipe, and he used to work at a ramen restaurant. And this is how they did it. What they would do is they would go and take a pork belly, slice it in like 2 or 3 pieces, roll it up, use the butcher's twine to put it all together. Alright. And then, lo and behold, they would take an even amount of sugar and salt and then basically like shake and bake it. Bake it for an hour at 450, then an hour at 250. And then let it chill in the fridge overnight and then slice it. I have modified it a little bit. We like roll over the log of chashu every half hour during those 2 hours. One thing when you do it too, you're gonna get a lot of, I mean, because it's gonna be the sugar is gonna be caramelizing and stuff. Look at that. This is that. This is it, and it's freaking good. And you know what? I used to get my chashu at Wajimaya in Bellevue or Seattle, generally, or in Renton. But now that's a thing of the past, let me tell you. Why would I do that when I can just like go over to one of the best places in the world too. There's a place around here called Double D Meats, ladies and gentlemen, and they have hot sauce, but they also have lots of meat. And it's reasonably priced. Lovely, lovely meat. For those who enjoy imbibing in meat. We're all meat. Why wouldn't we eat meat? We're all meat. Somebody says we're tasty. There's animals that would eat you. I ain't eating you. Oh, thank you. What else can I do this? But for ramen, these bowls kind of suck. I'm not like ultra sold on them, but it's kind of interesting. And I'm gonna throw this on here. This is Thai basil from our garden. I don't know. I picked more than I wanted, so I'm gonna like use it. So sue me. I know it's not generally the right thing to do here, but I'm gonna be incongruous with the right thing to do. Oh, hi. You like Hello Kitty, don't you? Is that your fake up? Your fake makeup?
This is for my eye.
Ah.
Eyeshadow.
I see. But I don't wear eyeshadow.
I do.
Do you? Pretend? Pretend eyeshadow?
But this is pretend real eyeshadow.
It's okay. Pretend real.
It doesn't have a brush with it. The brush is broken.
Oh, that's right.
I broke it all up.
Oh, why would you do that?
I don't know.
Well, what happened? Oh, why don't you tell the nice people what happened to your tablet?
Nice people, my tablet broke on the. I stepped on the screen and then it broke.
It's all cracked.
Yeah.
Yeah. It still works.
But we can't buy a new one.
We could, but maybe we can get this one fixed. But then you're going to be without a tablet for a little while. So come here. We told you don't step on your tablet, don't leave it on the floor. But guess who stepped on the tablet and left it on the floor? His little cutie. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, it is time for rotation. Peek-a-boo.
Peek-a-boo.
There's a Devo song that goes, Peek-a-boo, I see you. Peek-a-boo.
Peek-a-boo. I have a new macaroni.
Run away out of the kitchen. You can show them at the end. each and every day, and Mimi wants to show you her.
My Hello Kitty macaroni.
Yeah, that's pretty snazzy. You gonna have that pretty soon?
Yeah.
Maybe this weekend. Don't. Well, that's it for me today. Tomorrow, the first episode you'll see will be this. This is a new touch, super fancy from, I think it's chicken shio or some kind of chicken ramen.
Just pretending to put macaroni and cheese in.
Oh, okay. But, yeah, it's like a chicken shio. And this came from 5 a.m. Ramen. Go to instantramen.jp. Check them out. I tell you what, do it. All right, well, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.